All right, I think we're ready. Jill, you have the questions?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Holby, please just answer the questions as it would be any other conversation. Thank you. So, 3, 2, 1, and action.
Hello, I'm Jill Mitchell with Cuckoo News. Today I'll be interviewing Will Astro Boy Holby, a living legend that just got back from his trip from... Where were you?
Well, me and my crew went on an excursion to the asteroid belt.
Why did you go there?
Well, we needed to conduct an in-depth study of the asteroids in order to understand the past of the universe and the solar system, and to see if we could use the resources of the asteroids. Although a lot of people said that the whole mission was just a waste of time and money, and it could have been done by robots, the reality is that it could not have been done were it not for the human ingenuity of the astronauts on board. The benefits of the mission, both scientific and financial, will not be felt immediately, but will become tangible as time goes on.
Were you injured in any way?
Yes, I have back pain.
You have back pain.
Yes, that's what happens when you spend enough time in space. Your muscles start to go soft and your bones start to go weak.
But there's no gravity in space.
There is. Gravitational forces can be felt across vast distances. It just looks that way when a person is in free fall because there's no support base.
So your expedition to the asteroid belt, how long did it take you?
Just over a year. We were moving at relativistic speeds.
I thought it took you a year and a half.
It was a year and a half for you, but for me it was just over a year because time was moving slower for me.
It must have been very dangerous, dodging all those asteroids.
Actually, they were so widely spaced that we didn't really need to worry about a collision. In fact, things in space are so widely spaced that collisions are astronomically rare. Except with galaxies. Galaxies are relatively close together.
There's been a lot of talk lately about the threat of an asteroid hitting Earth. People are worried, and I was wondering what my chances were.
Your chances?
Of surviving?
Pretty slim. It probably won't happen in your lifetime. The larger the asteroid, the lesser the likelihood of it hitting us. We're actually being bombarded by asteroids daily. It's just that they burn up in the atmosphere because of their relatively small size. But, on a long enough timeline, the survival rate of everyone drops to 0.
But if Earth was hit by a comet?
Well, comets and asteroids are not the same thing. An asteroid is mostly made of rock and metal, silicates and such. A comet, on the other hand, is like a dirty snowball, made from ice and dust. Comets approaching the Earth are relatively rare, mainly because they spend most of their lives at the outer edge of the solar system. And they only ever come in to the inner solar system every once in a while.
So is everything in the universe created of metals, rocks, and ice?
That's an interesting question, Jill. Most of the universe is made of hydrogen and helium, and about 2% of it is comprised of elements heavier than those. In the beginning, it was all just hydrogen, but everything you see today was created in stars and supernovae.
Is all this really true?
Yes, it is.
Alright, well, that's about all we have time for.
Fun fact, the sky is blue because blue light scatters the most. And black holes are real.
Hello, I'm Jill Mitchell with Cuckoo News. Today I'll be interviewing Will Astro Boy Holby, a living legend that just got back from his trip from... Where were you?
Well, me and my crew went on an excursion to the asteroid belt.
Why did you go there?
The whole mission was just a waste of time and money, and it could have been done by robots.
It must have been very dangerous, dodging all those asteroids.
Yes.
There's been a lot of talk lately about an asteroid hitting Earth. People are worried, and I was wondering what the chances for me were.
Pretty slim. The survival rate of everyone drops to 0.
So is everything in the universe created of metals, rocks, and ice?
Yes.
Nyári gyerekek a Balatonparton, Dunakanyarban a keszegemet hajtom. Nyári gyerek vagyok, kacagok, nevetek, ami csillog a szemetek, maradjatok gyerekek.